We are now down to exactly 2 weeks from the start of the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour. For the past month, I've been working hard on the Nova, getting everything taken care of that I thought I needed to do. So it's going to be reliable and great and ready and all that. I still have the backup plan. The Grand National. I was actually originally planning to take the Grand National, and then I bought the Nova back in February. So this is still my plan B. A couple of more things that this would need before I go. The front brake pads are very low, so I have those. I'm going to try to get those on there today. I already serviced the Power Master system. It's been working great. Didn't really need much this car. It's going to need fresh oil, which I have, and a filter. And I put the hood lifts in it, so the hood stays up. Oh, and I also ordered a 93 octane chip for it. It's currently running on E85. If it becomes a situation where I'm having a hard time finding E85 on the trip, it's good to have, I think it'll be good to have this backup plan. If I can throw the 93 chip in there, turn the boost down, so then I can just get gas everywhere. So I'm probably not going to put it in, but I'll have it with me in case I need. It's not that much of a big deal to swap out. This is the list of everything I've done over the past month or so on the Nova. Tires, wipers, that was the motor. Still no washer. They want like $75 or something. I think I'm just going to skip that for now. Did the amp and speakers, the rear tray, fabric, the fuel pump and tank. Got my trans temp sensor in there. The hood grills were rattling, so I put some butyl tape in there. Adjusted the shifter. Oh, I ordered some decals for the car just to promote my channel. Changed, put an air filter on there. The 2 new idler pulleys, the belts, new belt, changed the oil. Actually put a thermostat in there, 160. Hooked up the cigar lighter. I've still got that crazy loud rattle, which is driving me insane. Did the bent tie rod. And yep, that's it. So over the next week or so, I'm just going to try to drive the car around as much as I can and make sure everything seems good. If not, I'm going to the backup plan. Honestly, this would be a way more comfortable car to take. It rides like a dream. It's got really cold AC. But we'll see what happens. The first plan is to take the Nova. Well, the rotors are really not bad at all. Slight grooves. Probably could just throw some new pads on, but I figure let's do it the right way. Let's put some new rotors on. These might be original to the car. It's a low mileage car, but you know, might as well do it all fresh. Called the local parts store. They said they would have them this afternoon, so just waiting for that call when they come in. All right, so exactly 2 weeks from tomorrow is the big day. We're leaving.
What?
Yeah, so we have to drive 14 hours just to get to the first location.
That's
Kentucky, Bowling Green.
That's almost longer than we drove to Tennessee.
It is a little bit longer.
And that car is like in pretty good condition too.
Well, the Suburban?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in pretty good condition, but it's also old. 2011.
This one is like from the 1980s or something.
So, like I said, this one is the backup plan. I'm changing the front brakes. I gotta change the oil. It should be good to go. Are you gonna be able to handle 14-hour drive?
You know I get car sick a lot.
Well, we're bringing Dramamine.
Okay, I might be able to handle it. Remember that time we went to I'm pretty sure it was Vincent's baseball game, and when we came out, I looked green.
Oh, uh-oh. And how far away was that?
45 minutes.
Oh, this is a lot longer. We're splitting it though, so the first day we're gonna do like maybe 8 hours, and then the next day we'll do 6. Does that make it better or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Still.
We're gonna have to stop for eating,
Where?
bathroom.
So that gives it like an extra hour or 2.
But if you're looking at your screen, your iPad the whole time,
That won't help. I'm not going.
that's gonna make you feel motion
I'm
sickness.
gonna
Right?
be on that camera right there, trying.
Well,
to...
listen. You're gonna be my video guy.
Yes, for
For real.
the cars.
And you're also going to be my navigation helper. You need to tell me where I'm going. Do you know how to do that?
I might fall asleep while doing that, but Mom taught me how.
We're going to have to give you a lesson on that.
I know how.
Okay.
2, right. Then.
What's that $5 for?
Ice cream.
All right. All right, so now it's going. All right, so here's how we remove the brakes, if you didn't know. So first you take out these 2 caliper pins. They're screwed in from the back. Down here, down and up here. And for that, you use this kind of fitting.
Cranker ranker.
Whatever that's called. Or like an Allen key. So that's out. You can pry it off. Oh,
Whoa, bright
word.
light.
Pry off the caliper. Whoa,
Again.
that's not really magnetic.
Good catch, Dad.
Yeah. Just gonna stick that over here. Oh, you know what? Let's take the old pads out.
Oh.
Put it on the lower control arm. You don't want to let it hang by the hose. That can damage the hose. So to pop this off, you use the screwdriver and the hammer.
Saw that.
Saw that. Then you have your cotter pin, which I already clipped. So we're going to try to just ease it out.
Oh,
Yeah, bending it a little bit.
so close.
Okay. The cotter pin
Oh.
out. Castle nut.
My favorite. Yum.
All right. And you've got your washer. And you got your outer bearing. Gentle.
How many layers is it?
Gentle. Okay. Outer bearing. And will come off.
Whoa. Oh.
All right. And then you've got your inner seal and inner bearing. So we're going to try to pop that seal off without destroying it. Where's my little tool? Oh, I think the tool's on the other side, my friend.
Oh.
Can you go get it for me?
Can you hold this?
Not really. I'm all greasy.
Okay, I'll go.
It looks like a bent screwdriver, and it's on the other brake rotor on the floor. Bring it over. Thanks.
Oh, wow. That was
You know
easy.
what? I might actually be able to use this pry bar anyway. Sorry. Bring it anyway.
A bunch of muck on my hand.
Oh, you got the grease?
Oh, yeah.
All right, you're going to have to go back and get yourself a paper towel. Put the camera down.
My God.
It's coming.
Still see all that muck.
Seal and
Seals
inner bearing.
and
All right, everything's out. And we're just going to clean everything up. and wait for the new rotors to get here.
The what are those?
I had to order a new set of rotors.
Oh.
Brake rotors. All right.
Ta-da!
All right, try to hold it still. All right, so we got our new rotors. I greased up the original bearings were in nice shape, so, and I got the seals out without destroying them. So greased up the bearing. Now we're gonna put the seal in. All right. These rotors are dirty. I have to clean them up too.
Try not to. The jelly looking grease. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it looks like jelly.
Yeah, but it probably ain't taste like jelly.
Yeah. Probably not.
I'm getting hungry. Now I want a PB&J.
You want a peanut butter and grease sandwich?
No. Silly.
That would be a good prank on somebody, right? 'Cause
That'll be a good way to.
Legit.
That might be a good way to kill someone too.
Yeah, you would really want to do that. You would have to stop them before they actually eat it.
Yeah, but there might be like, no way.
Put some grease into.
I don't even like grease on my pizza. Take a napkin and all the grease off.
Mm-hmm. I gotta make sure it's all looped up in there.
Maybe you should just dump the entire thing into the grease bottle.
Not a bad idea.
Time to put on the gooey jelly jam grease thing.
Okay. Now we have the washer.
The washer. Time to grease that up.
Nut.
No. I wish I got picked for nuts and bolts at my school.
You got what?
I wish I got picked for nuts and bolts at my school.
What's that?
It was like a STEM thing.
Oh, and what do they do? Like build things?
Yeah,
You didn't get picked?
I didn't.
All right. Brakes are all back together. So also the oil's been changed. So that's pretty much it for this car as far as I know. It should be ready to go as a plan B. We're down to like less than 2 weeks here, so I'm going to be driving the Nova around as much as I can. Hopefully if there's any other issues, they pop up before we leave, and then this will be ready to go on standby. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.